Hi, Leslie. How are you? This is Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. Hope you're doing well. I spoke with Lorelli at your office. She said that you would be the person that I might send this free video that I put together for you guys. But this is three tips and tricks about your online presence that I saw that I thought you might want to see and it might help you out. If you guys want to use these for yourself, I'm totally fine with that. If you do want to talk a little bit further and ask me some questions, I'd love to do that as well and try to help you out with your online presence. But without further ado, the top three things that I want to show you today are number one, content, number two, citations, and number three, backlinks. Number one is content. So I've got your website pulled up. The bare minimum you want to have on your website, Leslie, is 1,500 words on the homepage. And right now you have less than 100 words on your homepage. So I know 1,500 words might sound like a lot, but it's really not. This is what we do for a living, and so we can definitely, with all the services that you guys provide, we can definitely fix that, or you can as well. So that's number one. Content's very important because this is what Google is continuously scrolling to rank different people on their web on their search. Okay, and what I mean by that obviously is Google search. I typed in tree service Houston. I know that I saw you guys. I live in the hill country. I think I saw you guys out near my house, and that's what got me to do a little research on your company. But I saw that you guys are located in Houston, so I wanted to do tree service Houston. That is a search word, right? And so when we go to that, obviously the first thing you're going to see are ads. Ads are fine. Ads are great. We do those as well, but obviously you have to pay for those, right? And what we're looking to do is really optimize your web presence so you're getting people that are looking for it for your service and you're not having to pay extra for it. So once they scroll past these ads, the first thing they're going to come to is what's called the Google Map Pack. Okay, this is the three businesses that are listed here. And the way you get in this Google Map Pack and rank to be in these top three companies is through citations. And citations are just your business name and phone number, the way that they're listed on different directories throughout the World Wide Web. So your Yelp, your HomeAdvisor.com, Facebook, all these different directories are going to give you citations, and Google gives those businesses top ranking on their organic Google Map Pack here. So that you have about 21 citations. When I looked that up, we usually shoot for around 100 citations. It does take some time, but it's not very hard, and it's definitely something that you can fix. And this is huge. These businesses are getting, you know, a lot of customers and a lot of sales because this is, literally the first thing people are seeing when they search tree service Houston. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to see, as we can see, obviously you got Houston Tree Surgeons in there, Texas Tree Team, OM Tree Service. The next thing that people are going to find is they're going to scroll down to see, okay, what companies are listed on the first page of this Google search. And you're going to have your directories like your Angie.com, but the first local business that's listed here is HoustonTreeSurgeons.com. So what we do next, and the last thing I wanted to show you were backlinks. Okay, so this is a software that I use. I pay $400 to $500 a month for this, but I'm able to put your website in here and really just get a good idea of what's good, what's bad, what you need to improve, and things like that. And so as you can see here, you have 10 referring domains, and it's giving you 18 backlinks. All referring domains is other websites that are listing your web domain on their website, and it's linking back, and that's what's called a backlink. All of this is giving you 3 organic keywords. Okay, and it's giving you about 1 click through a month. As you can see here, I wanted to type in your competition, and this is HoustonTreeSurgeons.com. Sorry, let's go to the overview here so we can look at that. So as you can see, 130 referring domains, giving them 1,580 backlinks. So that's why they're ranking on that first page of Google and why they're getting all of that, quote unquote free business, right? Free leads. And so, one other thing I wanted to show you with how these backlinks power these keywords. Let's click on these organic keywords that Houston tree surgeon's ranking for and just take a look. And so what you'll see here is, okay, we've got tree service Houston. That was the search that I put in, and that's obviously they're ranking very high for this. But this is how we read this. So you've got tree service Houston. This here is the volume. They're getting people. There's over 700 people that are searching for that keyword every month. And out of that, they're getting 76 people that are clicking through to their website because they're on the first page of Google. Because right here, as you can see, they're number 2. They're the number 2 listing when we go to that search on Google, and there they are, right? So that's kind of how that works. But as you can see, if you're ranked on the first page of Google for tree service Houston, or if it's tree service Austin, wherever you do a lot of your work, and if we could get 30 or 40 new customers out of this and really chip away from Houston tree surgeons taking all this business, I would have to think that that would be good for your business. So those are the 3 things. Again, content, got to have content on the website. That tells Google that you guys know what you're doing and people want to read about your services. Citations, get you in that Google map pack, like I said, that those top 3 companies there, and then backlinks and organic keywords that people are searching for, that again are things that people are searching for. So those are the 3 things. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Like I said, if you want to use them yourself, I'm totally good with that. If you do want to talk some more and ask some questions, I'd love to talk to you further. So hope all's well. This is my my contact information here. This is my website, Execution Digital Marketing. My phone number is 512-879-9544. Hope you have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, Leslie.